everyone knows. Munchy dipped his tail in blue, splashed it high and splashed on you. Milo slipped in yellow bright, now the room's a funny sight. Red on Milo, green on Munch, every step goes splash and crunch. Mix them up and what do you see? Colors dancing wild and free. Blue and yellow, red and green, funniest chase you've ever seen. Milo and Munchy laugh all day, learning colors while they play. Munchy dipped his tail